This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Maps as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right up this way, you can see I have an app called Google Maps. If I open up that app, it opens up Google Maps as a desktop app. You still have all the same features, but it is now a desktop app. The way to do this, there's two ways to do it. You could use the Google Chrome web browser, or you could use the Edge web browser. I'm going to show you both ways. First, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go to my installed apps, and right here is Google Maps. It is installed as an app on my computer. I'm going to uninstall it. Uninstall. Then I'm going to start off by showing you how to do it on the Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up Google Maps on the Chrome web browser. First thing you want to do is make sure you're signed into your Google account. Off in the upper right hand corner, I see my profile icon. I am signed in. Next thing you want to do, there's two ways to do this on Chrome. You could go up to the address bar, and right up here you'll see a square with a down arrow. If you put your mouse cursor over that, it says Install Google Maps. You can click on it here, or you could go to the three-dot menu, click on the three-dot menu, go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share, and then straight across and down, and right here is Install Google Maps. I'm going to click on Install Google Maps. Then if I go up top here, I have a little dialog box here. It asks me, do I want to install Google Maps? You would click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge browser. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go to the Edge web browser. You want to go to Google Maps. You want to make sure that you're signed in. The next thing you want to do, go off to the address bar up top, and in the address bar, you'll see a box with several boxes in it. It says App Available, Install Google Maps. You can click on it here, or you could go to the three-dot menu, click on the three-dot menu, go down to where it says More Tools, and then you'll go straight off to the left, and you want to go to Apps. And under Apps, you'll see right here, Install Google Maps. I'm going to click on Install Google Maps. It brings up a little dialog box asking, do I want to install this? I'm going to click on Install. It will automatically open up Google Maps. And I have a little dialog box here. It says, allow this app to pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, or auto start on device login. I'm just going to go with create desktop shortcut. You have to just make your own judgment on that. And then I'm going to click on allow. Now I have Google Maps app opened up here. I'm going to close it. And right here on my desktop, Google Maps. I'm going to double click on it to open it. That is how to install Google Maps as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.